Most people throw around terms like data science, data analytics, and business analytics as if they all mean the same thing. They don't. And this confusion is exactly why a lot of people either learn the wrong skills or don't understand where they actually fit. So let's break the illusion first. All three work with data, but they solve completely different problems. If you don't get this distinction, you're basically trying to play three different roles without knowing which game you're in. Start with data analytics. This is the simplest layer. It focuses on understanding what has already happened. You take historical data, clean it, visualize it, and extract insights. For example, a company looks at last month's sales and figures out which product performed best, which region underperformed, and where revenue dropped. It's about clarity, turning messy data into something understandable so decisions can be made. No prediction, no complex modeling, just making sense of the past and present. Now step up to business analytics. This is where things get more practical and decision-focused. Business analytics doesn't just ask what happened. It asks, why did it happen? What will happen next? And what should we do about it? It connects data directly to business strategy. Think about pricing decisions, marketing campaigns, customer retention, or supply chain optimization. This field uses tools like statistical analysis, forecasting, and A/B testing to improve outcomes. It's not just analysis, it's action. If data analytics gives you answers, business analytics tells you what to do with them. Then comes data science, the most misunderstood of the three. Data science goes beyond analysis and enters the world of prediction and automation. It uses machine learning, algorithms, and advanced modeling to build systems that can learn from data and make decisions on their own. Instead of just analyzing customer behavior, data science can predict what a customer will do next, recommend products automatically, or detect fraud in real time. This is where coding, statistics, and domain knowledge all come together to build intelligent systems, not just reports. Here's the simplest way to understand it. Data analytics explains the past. Business analytics improves decisions, and data science builds systems that predict and automate the future. They're not competitors. They're layers of the same system. A strong company uses all three. It starts by understanding data, then uses it to make better decisions, and finally automates those decisions at scale. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to define terms. It's to help you see how these roles actually work together in the real world. Because once you understand the difference, you stop randomly learning tools and start building a clear direction. And that's the point where you move from being confused about data to actually knowing how to use it to create impact.